The desert stretches out vast and silent under a sky full of stars. The stillness of the night is only broken by the whispers of ancient winds, carrying stories from a time long past. This is a land where time seems to stand still, where the sands have witnessed the rise and fall of civilizations, and where every grain holds a memory of the past. Yet even here, in the heart of ancient stories, the modern world intrudes. Skyscrapers and highways now stand where once only caravans tread, blending the old with the new. Jerusalem, a city sacred to three faiths, stands as a testament to the enduring legacy of Abraham and his sons, Isaac and Ishmael. It is a place where history and faith converge, where every stone has a story to tell. Our story begins with Abraham, chosen by God to be the father of a great nation. His journey is one of faith, obedience, and the fulfillment of divine promises. His wife, Sarah, is old and believes she cannot have children. Her heart is heavy with the burden of unfulfilled dreams and the passage of time. Desperate for an heir, she offers her Egyptian maidservant, Hagar, to Abraham. This decision, born of desperation, sets in motion a series of events that will shape the future of nations. Hagar conceives and gives birth to Ishmael. In her son, she sees hope and a future, even as she navigates the complexities of her new role. Years later, God fulfills his promise to Sarah. Her joy is boundless as she witnesses the miracle she had longed for. Miraculously, she gives birth to Isaac. This child, born against all odds, is a testament to faith and divine intervention. The arrival of two sons, born of different mothers and circumstances, sets the stage for a family drama that continues to resonate today. Their stories, intertwined with themes of faith, promise, and destiny, echo through the ages, reminding us of the ancient promises in our modern world. The birth of Ishmael brings immense joy to Abraham and Hagar, filling their hearts with hope and happiness. He is their firstborn son, a symbol of God's blessing and a promise of a future filled with prosperity. But the arrival of Isaac, born to Sarah in her old age, creates tension and unease within the family dynamics. Sarah, now a mother herself, feels increasingly threatened by Hagar and Ishmael's presence, fearing for her son's inheritance. Sarah's jealousy and insecurity grow, leading her to demand that Abraham send Hagar and Ishmael away from their home. Torn between his love for his wife and his duty to his firstborn son, Abraham faces a heart-wrenching and difficult decision. God, however, assures Abraham that he will make a great nation from Ishmael as well, providing comfort and guidance in this challenging time. Abraham sends Hagar and Ishmael away into the wilderness of Beersheba. Alone and afraid, Hagar fears for her son's life. She weeps in despair, her tears a testament to the pain of separation and uncertainty. God, however, hears Hagar's cries and appears before her. He promises to protect her son and multiply his descendants. Ishmael will become the father of 12 princes, a great and enduring nation. The promise endures. Legacies forged in faith. God's covenant with Abraham encompasses both his sons. Isaac, the child of promise born to Sarah, inherits the Abrahamic blessing. He becomes the father of Jacob, later renamed Israel, from whom the Jewish people trace their lineage. Ishmael, though exiled, is also blessed by God. He grows in the wilderness, becoming a skilled archer and hunter. He fathers 12 sons, fulfilling God's promise to Hagar. His descendants will become the Arab people, a vast and influential presence in the Middle East. Towards a shared future. Hope in the face of conflict. In a city as ancient and storied as Jerusalem, the seeds of hope are often sown in the most unexpected places. The story of Isaac and Ishmael is often portrayed as one of rivalry and conflict, a tale that has echoed through the ages. Their descendants have indeed faced centuries of tension and struggle, with each generation bearing the weight of their forebears' disputes. Their shared history is marked by moments of both cooperation and strife, a delicate balance that has shaped the region's destiny. Yet within this narrative of conflict, there is also a message of hope. Acts of unity and gestures of goodwill continue to emerge. Isaac and Ishmael, half-brothers bound by a common father and the promise of God, symbolize the enduring possibility of reconciliation. They represent the possibility of reconciliation and shared destiny, a vision that transcends their historical divisions. Their story reminds us that even in the face of historical wounds, the potential for healing and understanding remains. The pursuit of peace remains a sacred duty, a mission that calls to the hearts of all who dream of a harmonious future.